2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike represents the pinnacle of touring comfort and performance, combining the iconic Gold Wing experience with the stability and security of a three-wheel design. As a result, it opens up new possibilities for riders who want the freedom of the open road but prefer the added confidence that a trike provides. It offers not only advanced technology and luxurious features but also an unrivaled ride quality that makes it stand out in the world of touring motorcycles. This model is perfect for those seeking long-distance adventures without sacrificing comfort or style. Honda's engineering excellence is evident in every aspect of the 2026 Gold Wing Trike, especially in its frame and body design. The trike's overall build is more robust than previous models, and the frame is reinforced for optimal strength and rigidity. This construction ensures that the trike can handle various road conditions with ease, whether it's winding mountain roads or open highways. The unique trike configuration offers a sense of added security for riders who may be apprehensive about two-wheeled motorcycles, providing a smoother and more stable ride. What sets the 2026 Gold Wing Trike apart from others is Honda's dedication to blending traditional touring capabilities with cutting-edge innovation. The addition of the independent rear suspension is a game-changer for trikes, especially when it comes to ride quality. Many riders who are new to three-wheeled motorcycles often experience some awkwardness or discomfort during turns, but with the Gold Wing Trike's suspension, the ride is consistently smooth, even during high-speed cornering. This feature also reduces the typical jerking and joring that can occur on rough roads, ensuring a comfortable ride no matter the terrain. The engine, Honda's revered 1833cc six-cylinder power plant, continues to be a standout feature of the Gold Wing Trike. This engine offers both impressive acceleration and ample torque at low speeds, which is crucial when riding a trike. The smoothness of the engine is something that even experienced riders will appreciate. Unlike other engines that may become overly coarse or vibrate at higher RPMs, the Gold Wing's engine maintains a refined, almost buttery smoothness throughout the ride, adding to the overall comfort. In terms of power delivery, the six-cylinder engine strikes the ideal balance between performance and efficiency. Riders can expect strong acceleration from a standstill, as well as the ability to cruise comfortably at high speeds for long stretches. Whether you're passing other vehicles on the highway or just taking in the sights during a leisurely ride, the engine provides a steady flow of power, making every ride feel effortless. Despite its larger engine, the Gold Wing Trike remains surprisingly fuel efficient, making it an excellent choice for riders who love to tour but want to keep fuel costs in check. Honda has also elevated the technology on board the 2026 Gold Wing Trike, integrating some of the most advanced features available on the market. The digital dashboard is not only sleek but extremely user-friendly. With its intuitive touchscreen interface, riders can access everything from navigation to audio controls with ease. The addition of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures that riders can stay connected with their smartphones, whether they're taking a call or using a music app. The clear display makes it easy to see important data such as speed, fuel economy, and engine performance, even when riding under bright sunlight. Riding at night is made easier with the trike's powerful LED headlights, which provide excellent road illumination. The lights are adjustable to suit different conditions, ensuring that whether you're riding through dark roads or in heavy rain, you'll have the visibility you need. These features, combined with the onboard safety systems like Honda's anti-lock braking system, ABS, and traction control, give riders added confidence when navigating different road conditions. Comfort is another area where Honda continues to excel with the 2026 Gold Wing Trike. One of the key design philosophies behind the Gold Wing has always been the rider's comfort, and Honda has certainly not let that slip with this model. The seat has been engineered for long-distance travel, offering the right amount of cushioning and lumbar support for both the rider and the passenger. The handlebars are adjustable to suit different riders' preferences, while the footpegs can also be customized to ensure the rider has a natural, relaxed posture. With its low seat height and wide handlebars, the trike is easy to handle, making it ideal for riders of all sizes and experience levels. Another note for the feature of the 2026 Gold Wing Trike is its remarkable passenger comfort. Touring is all about the experience, and Honda ensures that passengers enjoy the same level of luxury as the rider. The rear seat is spacious and well padded, with a backrest that provides support even on long rides. Additionally, the placement of the rear footbags has been optimized for comfort, ensuring that passengers don't feel cramped or strained during extended journeys. When it comes to storage, the Gold Wing Trike is a true touring machine. Honda has provided ample space for both the rider and passenger to store their essentials for a long trip. The rear trunk is generously sized and features a smart design that maximizes storage without affecting the sleek, stylish appearance of the Trike. The side saddlebags are also large enough to hold smaller items, like helmets or jackets, and have easy access for riders and passengers alike. Honda has thought of every little detail to make sure you have enough room for all your gear without compromising on the Trike's elegance. The rear-wheel drive system of the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike contributes to its stability, especially in challenging weather or road conditions. The Trike handles rain, gravel, or even light snow with confidence, ensuring a secure and predictable ride at all times. Honda's engineering ensures that the Trike doesn't feel too heavy or cumbersome during rides, and the ride remains agile and responsive. When it comes to traction, this Trike delivers exceptional performance thanks to its rear drive configuration, giving the rider more control in difficult situations. With all the impressive features, advanced technology, and refined comfort, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike is truly a game-changer for motorcycle enthusiasts and touring lovers. Whether you're looking for a powerful and reliable machine to take on long trips or simply want a more stable riding experience, the Gold Wing Trike offers it all. It perfectly blends the thrill of motorcycling with the comfort and convenience of a luxury touring vehicle, giving riders the ultimate journey on three wheels. For those looking to elevate their touring experience to new heights, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike is the perfect companion. This Trike isn't just about riding, it's about enjoying the open road in the most comfortable, stylish, and secure way possible. Thank you for watching, and be sure to hit the subscribe button on Motiverse Pro for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest automotive innovations.